You click on that Windows, immediately you click on that Windows download button. It definitely should automatically download this for you, which is what you can see down on my screen. But if that doesn't do that, you can try this to help you to quickly download that. All right. But once you have it downloaded, you should see it here. And you can just click on the folder to find where it is. And just to make sure I didn't. Okay. So back to what I opened, you're going to see the Windows, you're going to see the Visual Studio Code right here as one of my downloaded items this morning. And you're going to, right now I have Visual Studio Code on my system, so I wouldn't want to install it the second time. But all you have to do is to just double tap on it. When you double tap on it, it's going to come up on the screen and ask you, do you accept? You just click, you select yes, I accept, and click next. It's actually an easy to install application. So, but I wouldn't want to install it the second time. So that's why I wouldn't want to proceed from here. But I would like you to click next and continue to get that installed on your device. So once you're done installing it, you can always open it up. I can always open up my Visual Studio Code by coming here and clicking on it. So the Visual Studio Code will help you to write more codes. But while we learn on a free code camp, I would also like from time to time to walk you through some steps on how you can also write some code on Visual Studio Code. Because while the free code camp is a learning platform, the Visual Studio Code will help you to start learning how to write codes like the way we do it in the real world. So I would like you to get this handy and install. When you install it, you can open it to have a look and see how everything looks over here. And once you're done, I would also like you to just get started more like about seeing the environment. You can close it. You click on File. When you click on File, it's going to ask you, do you want to open a folder or a file? But before you open a folder or a file, you're going to first come to your screen and create a new, let's create a folder for your first project. So let's call it, you can call it task. Let's call it task, okay? So when you open your Visual Studio Code and you click on File, click on Open Folder, and let's go to our desktop and find Task. And once we see Task, you double tap on it, it populates on this folder line. You click on Select Folder. And here you're opening your first folder in your Visual Studio Code. Under the first folder, which is here, you're going to see an icon that says New File. You're going to see the one that says New Folder. We don't need an extra folder for now. All you have to do here is to click on New File, and let's call it first.html. So whenever we want to create an HTML file where we're going to write our HTML codes, we name the file, then we add an extension .html, and here you start writing your HTML codes. So in our next video, we are going to start writing our HTML codes inside our Visual Studio Code. So while you learn on the free code camp, you come down here too and do some practice that you can run on your browser to see how you're performing. And one more time, I would like to say congratulations because you're making some steps and you're doing good. Thank you, and let's see the next in the next video.